Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to start end-to-end encrypted conversations on your Facebook Messenger account. Now let's begin. Initially, I'm gonna go to facebook.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Right here, I'm on the web version of Messenger, and right here is my friend Tom. I'm simply gonna click on his icon right here. Now here is the conversation that I have had. Now I want to start an end-to-end encrypted chat with Tom. So here's what we can do about it. Right here on the top left of this chat box, here is Tom's name, also called as chat settings. I'm gonna click on it. Now something like this will open up right next to it. If I simply scroll down, then I will get an option called as start end-to-end encrypted chat. Simply click on it, and then your end-to-end encrypted chat will begin. I'm simply gonna message him right now. And there you have it, guys. That's how you start end-to-end encrypted chat on Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.